No matter how much experience you have running your business, asking for payment from a client can still sometimes be an awkward, clunky, time-consuming experience. And short of hiring someone to do all that work, software tools aren't all made equal. And the thing is, if you pick a system that's too dense, you'll get lost in the settings and configurations. And if you pick one that's too thin, you will hit a growth ceiling in 6 months and have to duct tape 5 different apps together just to stay organized. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how to avoid that trap when it comes to picking out your invoicing software. For the last few months now, I've been testing out SuiteDash, Agency Handy, and Assembly. So let's dive into the details of what each one offers. And by the end of this, you'll know exactly which tool fits your specific workflow best. So first off, I wanted to talk about my personal favorite, Assembly. And here's why I like it. When it comes to invoicing, Assembly is built for the business owner who wants the payment to be the trigger for everything else. Instead of just sending a bill, it uses a dedicated billing app to turn your portal into a digital storefront. You can create one-time invoices, set up recurring subscriptions, or even build a branded product store where clients can buy fixed price services on demand. The payment experience for the client is incredibly smooth. They can pay via credit card, ACH, or Apple Pay directly inside their portal without ever downloading a clunky PDF. The real power here is what happens after the money moves. Assembly uses chain reaction logic. The second that payment clears, it can automatically trigger the rest of your workflow, like unlocking a contract or assigning an intake form. And it sets up your client's project tasks automatically without you having to manually follow along each step of the onboarding process or subsequent deliverables and services. It makes you look like a $10 million firm, even if you're a team of one. Now, I've talked more in detail about this chain reaction system and their onboarding process in other videos. So just in case you want to know more about it, I'll leave a link to those videos in the description. And if you want to check out Assembly for yourself, I'll leave a link to their website as well. And as far as their pricing, the starter plan is $59 a month when billed monthly, which is perfect for managing your core invoicing and CRM. And if you move up to the professional plan at $189 a month, you unlock the full automation engine and custom domain features that make the entire billing process feel like a proprietary high-end experience. The prices go down to $39 for the starter plan and $149 for the professional plan if you pay annually. And there are higher tiers as well for when you start scaling your business, namely the advanced and enterprise tiers. All right, so on the other hand, if you're looking for the most robust invoicing features for the lowest possible price, SuiteDash is the heavyweight in this category. It offers a massive billing suite that handles everything from basic estimates and invoicing to complex installment payments and recurring billing. One of the best features here is the billing dashboard, where your clients can actually log in and manage their own stored payment methods or see their entire payment history in one secure plan. And with SuiteDash, the value proposition is hard to beat because of their flat rate structure. Their starter plan is $19 a month, and that includes unlimited staff on unlimited clients, meaning you are penalized with higher fees just because your business is growing. And beyond invoicing, you're also getting a full CRM, a learning management system, and support ticketing. SuiteDash also offers higher tiers at $49 a month for their Thrive plan and $99 a month for their Pinnacle plan. And look, no doubt about it, this is a massive amount of software for the money, but the trade-off is the setup, because the billing system is tied to so many other features. Configuring the logic takes a significant amount of time and patience to get it right. And now I'm going to talk about the last tool you might be interested in, and that's Agency Handy. So Agency Handy is almost the polar opposite of SuiteDash. It takes a completely different approach by focusing on low friction sales. Instead of the traditional send an invoice and wait model, it's built around a service catalog. You basically create a menu of your services, the client selects what they need, and they pay up front at checkout. It feels much more like an e-commerce experience than a traditional back and forth billing process. It still supports custom invoices and recurring payments through Stripe and PayPal, but its strength is definitely in that buy it now catalog style. For those just starting out, the pricing is very accessible. The freelancer plan is $29 a month when billed monthly, which allows for one internal user but gives you unlimited clients and orders. And if you have a team, the team starter plan is $99 a month, and there's a business pro plan for $199 a month. At the end of the day, It's a great 5-minute miracle for anyone who wants to stop sending manual quotes and just start collecting payments. The only catch is that the invoicing flow is very rigid, so it's designed to work a specific way, and you don't have much room to customize a billing experience outside of their standard template. Now, like I mentioned previously, my personal favorite is Assembly, and I'll be honest with you guys, I didn't just pick Assembly because it looked cool. I actually went through a trial and error phase that almost cost me a couple of long-term retainers. I started out looking at SuiteDash because, on paper, I'm a total nerd for features. I thought, great, I'll build this massive automated empire. And 2 days into the setup, I realized I was spending more time watching tutorials than actually doing client work. I felt like I needed a degree in software engineering just to send an invoice. It was overkill for what I needed, and I knew if it was confusing for me, it was going to be a nightmare for my client. So I swung to the other extreme and tried Agency Handy. It was fast, sure. I had a storefront up in 20 minutes, but then I hit a wall. I have a very specific way that I like to manage my project files and the way that I want my Notion boards to look for my clients. Agency Handy wanted me to do things their way, and I felt like I was outgrowing it before I even finished onboarding my first person. I felt stuck in a box, and that's exactly when I landed on Assembly. For me, it was that perfect middle ground. I didn't have to spend a week learning the system, and it gave me the flexibility that the simpler tools lacked. I had my first portal branded and ready in an afternoon. But look, at the end of the day, you're not me, and what you need might be different. So here's my final recommendation. If you want a simple storefront and you're just starting out, grab Agency Handy. If you want a massive custom-built empire and you have the patience to build it, go with SuiteDash. But if you want a system that makes your life easier while handling the billing and the onboarding, then Assembly is the logical choice. It's the smart middle ground that actually scales without the admin headache. So if that sounds like something you want to try out for yourself, Assembly will have a 14-day free trial, and I'll also leave a link in the description so you can get the best deal possible if you decide to keep it. Doesn't cost you anything extra, but using that link helps support the channel, and at the same time, you'll get the benefit of using the latest available discount. And if you found this helpful, please leave a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, drop those in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.